Hello everybody, how are you doing a todos? ¿Cómo estáis? Se me llamo HANDCUFFS and I'm going to react to episode 12 from KinnPorsche. Well, I know that from some spoilers from Instagram, TikTok, that it's gonna be so fresh, so juicy, so nasty. They're gonna give us what we really want in a BL series. So what can we ask for? Nothing else. This is what we want. So let's go and react to it. Please, I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a lot of cute moments coming from the main characters. I love that part of Forte, you know, like the playful. Oh, okay. Okay. No, I'm sorry. Wait a moment. Oh my god, wait a moment. No, don't try to chat up here. No, because his lover is listening. His lover is listening to everything you're saying. Be careful with your mouth. He called him boyfriend. I love it. Well, there are many things you can do in his room. Either way, he has him handcuffed. It's so marvelous. Okay, Yumiko, stop. Stop. Concentration. I mean, that's... Oh my god. Are they really talking about blood types? I mean, no. No. Oh, what happened with your pet? It flew away. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, here we are. I wonder when they are gonna give us the swimming pool scene. I mean, we are desperately waiting for it. Hey, you are jealous. Okay. Someone is being jealous here. I mean, let's watch this scene. I mean, many things come up to my mind right now. What's wrong with this guy? I mean, I don't think he's mentally sane. Oh. Oh. Why don't you take him to the bed? Just as a suggestion. I'm not an expert, but... Okay, he's trying to... He could release himself. Well done. Don't tell me you have pity for him. Yes, you have pity for him. He ran away. He came back. Yes, he feels sorry for him. Damn it. I think he's like super surprised, like, okay, if you release yourself, why didn't you run away? I mean, you deserve to be free. He's surprised that he came back, honestly. I know. Okay. Ooh, watch your mouth. Ooh. That face really scares me. I mean, I'm so afraid of what is going to happen. Oh my god. You like it? Okay. I mean, let's take into account that he's injured. Okay, he has got goons, so be careful. Oi. Where is my book? Jesus Christ. Yeah, I know. I'm aware that you are very clear on your actions and you really know what you want to do. I know that. Yes, you're a psycho, but you didn't run when you had the opportunity. You are the psycho here. Stupid. Okay, that's a good way to release, you know, your thing. Look at him. Look at him. Okay. He stopped it. Okay. Okay. Okay, Yumiko, don't pause. Oh my god. Jesus. But I'm feeling bad for his injuries. Look at him. Okay, taking advantage of the chains that are there hanged. Why not? Okay. Oh gosh, no. Why am I seeing this kind of stuff everywhere? That happened the same in Check Out the Series. Why everywhere? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get trauma. Okay, for this, it's okay. If there isn't a rope for this, it's okay. Well, at least they're using a condom. That's cool. I mean, oh gosh. Look the way he's looking at him. Oh my god. Jesus, that's a... I didn't realize he has tied his ankles. I didn't know. Oh gosh. This is exceeding my expectation of of a sexy scene in a BL series. Like, yes, they are sweating. I know, it's so hot in here. Perfect, perfect. I am so nervous. Okay, they finished. That's cool. Hey, I remember this place. It's that the back part of the club, I think. Oh no, where? Ah no, it's the bar itself. Okay. Ah, remember there was a shooting here. The first shooting scene. Without gun, without mafia. No, in this case, without secrets. Secrets. Okay, I accept it. Yes, give me the music. Give me that music. I need so desperately to find this the not the lyrics, the music sheet of this. I mean, I need it. I need to play it in the piano. Guys, do you know where can I find it? Please, I need it. Say yes, say yes. That's like a proposal. I look at him smiling. Gosh. I look at his smile. I mean, you can marry me already, please. Gosh. Oof, how can you be so handsome? Jesus. Is something going to Is there something going to happen here? Ay. Oh my god. I'm having a foreboding feeling. Oh, you don't get corn involved in this. No, I forbid it. No, I forbid it. I fucking forbid it. Okay, guys, I enjoyed a lot. I was expecting more naughty scenes from the main characters, but well, it was enough with Vegas and the other guy. I just forgot the name. I just love it. And yeah, okay, so this is going to continue. We will see more in the next episode. Still, we haven't watched the swimming pool scene. Where are you? Please, just pop up. Please, show up. Please, I'm waiting for you. Anyway, hope you enjoyed my reaction, guys.